See how you do on this quiz about cellular respiration. Specifically, we're going to talk about things that are not involved in those first 4 steps. What 2 molecules do triglycerides break down into? Remember, when cells don't have glucose, they're going to start breaking down fat molecules. So these fat molecules are going to break down the glycerol and make it into a G3P, and these fatty acids into these things called acetyl-CoAs. Remember, since we don't have oxygen, we're going to see some of the steps stop. But fermentation helps facilitate glycolysis because the NAD is freed up to go facilitate this first reaction. Next question, what 2 molecules does pyruvate turn into during fermentation? So basically, what are the 2 types of fermentation? Pyruvate can be changed into either lactate or lactic acid or into ethanol, which is just alcohol. Next question, how much ATP is produced during anaerobic respiration? Remember that the only step that's really occurring is glycolysis. So the answer is 2. And I know it's not a lot of ATP, but at least it's a little bit of ATP. And our last question, what molecules are used up in order for anaerobic respiration to start? And I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking oxygen. And that is the first molecule to be used up. But what 2 other molecules are going to be used up in order for the reactions to stop? The answer is NAD and FAD. These molecules are readily available in aerobic respiration, but during anaerobic respiration, they're going to be used up. Since these molecules are used up, we're not going to have enough of these to facilitate the other reactions, so that's when the problems start. And that's when fermentation has to kick in to free up some of these NAD molecules.